Hi, I am Anand. I live in Taloja, Mumbai. I completed my bachelor's in computer science last year. I was working in a non-IT field, but I wanted to transition into IT. So I came across Awdiz Institute and get to know about their 100% placement guarantee program. Then after detailed discussion with Tejas sir, I enrolled in the CCNA and cybersecurity course. And the course was comprehensive and beneficial, especially the CCNA course which was taught by David sir. I have gained a lot of knowledge and skill, and thanks to the management and HR team, I secured an internship as junior analyst in infrastructure security even before completing my course. And I am greatly thankful for the guidance and their support, and I highly recommend Awdiz Institute to anyone who is looking to start or advance their career in IT industry. Thank you.